Hi, I'm Vicki Pavone on behalf of Expert Village. In this series, we'll be talking about the basics of cross-stitching. In this segment, we're going to talk about how to design a picture using transparency paper, your grid paper, and your favorite photo that you want to turn into a cross-stitch pattern. Transparency paper comes in two styles, one for inkjet printers and one for your color printers. All you do is you're going to use that as your paper. This is your transparency. You put that in, you're going to copy your grid paper onto it, and once you get your grid paper copied onto your transparency paper, then you're going to take your picture, put it underneath, put it through the copier again. You'll now have your picture gridded out. Then you just take your colors, choose them. An easier option is to go online. There are many companies online. You send them your favorite photo, they'll send you back a printed pattern with the colors and everything you need. And that's how you use your transparency paper.